Hi students, today we are going to discuss about linear equation in one variable, 8th class second chapter, exercise 2.1, first bit. Solve the following simple equations. First one, 6m equal to 12. Solution, 6m equal to 12. 6m can be written as 6 into m. 6 into m equal to 6m equal to 12. Here 6 is multiplication transposing to division. M equal to 12 by 6. 6 1 ja 6 2 ja 12. M equal to 2. Answer equal to 2. Second one, 14p equal to minus 42. Solution, 14p equal to minus 42. 14p can be written as 14 into p. 14 into p equal 14p equal to minus 42. Here 14 is multiplication transposing to division. P equal to minus 42 by 14. 14 1 ja 14 3 ja 42. P equal to minus 3. Answer equal to minus 3. Third one, minus 5y equal to 30. Solution, minus 5y equal to 30. Minus 5y can be written as minus 5 into y. Minus 5 into y equal to minus 5y equal to 30. Here minus 5 is multiplication transposing to division. Y equal to minus 30 by 5. 5 1 ja 5 6 ja 30. Y equal to minus 6. Answer equal to minus 6. Fourth one, minus 2x equal to minus 12. Solution, minus minus cancel. 2x equal to 12. 2x can be written as 2 into x. 2 into x equal to 2x equal to 12. Here 2 is multiplication transposing to division. X equal to 12 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 12. X equal to 6. Answer equal to 6. Fifth one, 34x equal to minus 51. Solution, 34x equal to minus 51. 34x can be written as 34 into x equal to minus 51. Here 34 is multiplication transposing to division. X equal to minus 51 by 34. 17 2 ja 34. 17 3 ja 51. X equal to minus 3 by 2. Answer equal to minus 3 by 2. Sixth one, n by 7 equal to minus 3. Solution, n by 7 equal to minus 3. Here 7 is division transposing to multiplication. N equal to minus 3 into 7. N equal to minus 3 7 ja 21. Answer equal to minus 21. Seventh one, 2x by 3 equal to 18. Solution, 2x by 3 equal to 18. Here 3 is division transposing to multiplication. 2x equal to 18 into 3. 2x equal to 18 3 ja 54. 2x can be written as 2 into x. 2 into x equal 2x equal to 54. Here 2 is multiplication transposing to division. x equal to 54 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 27 ja 54. X equal to 27. Answer equal to 27. Eighth one, 3x plus 1 equal to 16. Solution, 3x plus 1 equal to 16. 3x equal to plus 1 transposing to minus 1. 16 minus 1. 3x equal to 16 minus 1 equal to 15. 3x can be written as 3 into x. 3 into x equal to 3x equal to 15. Here 3 is multiplication transposing to division. X equal to 15 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 5 ja 15. X equal to 5. Answer equal to 5. Ninth one, 3p minus 7 equal to 0. Solution, 3p minus 7 equal to 0. 3p equal to minus 7 transposing to plus 7. 0 plus 7. 3p equal to 0 plus 7 equal to 7. 3p can be written as 3 into p. 3 into p equal to 3p equal to 7. Here 3 is multiplication transposing to division. P equal to 7 by 3. Answer equal to 7 by 3. 10th one, 13th minus 6n equal to 7. Solution, 13th minus 6n equal to 7. Minus 6n equal to plus 13 transposing to minus 13. 7 minus 13. Minus 6n equal to 7 minus 13 equal to minus 6. Minus minus cancel. 6 n equal to 6. 6n can be written as 6 into n equal to 6. Here 6 is multiplication transposing to division. N equal to 6 by 6. 6 1 ja 6 1 ja. N equal to 1. Answer equal to 1.